Use the FOIL method to multiply these binomials. With the FOIL method, you multiply the four terms from the two binomials in a specific order. Multiply the first terms, then the outside terms, then the inside terms, then the last terms. So let's multiply these binomials. Fill in the terms here. So here we get negative 7x. Here we get minus 2. Here we get negative 6. And here we get minus 5. Starting with the first term, so we get negative 7x and negative 6x. So we get negative 7 times negative 6x squared. And then the outside terms, negative 7x minus 5 here. So we get negative 7 times negative 5x. And then the inside terms, negative 2, negative 6. So we write negative 2 times negative 6x. And then the last terms, the minus 2 here and the minus 5 here become negative 2 times negative 5. Simplifying, we get negative 7 times negative 7, or positive 42x squared. This becomes negative 7 times negative 5 is a positive 35. And then this becomes negative 2 times negative 6 is a positive 12. And then this, negative 2 times negative 5, is a positive 10. Simplifying further, we get 42x squared. 35 plus 12 is plus 47x plus 10. So the simplified version is 42x squared plus 47x plus 10.